James W. Falcon, right back at you here with yet another segment in my video series, Inspiration Management. I want to talk to you in this particular segment about the importance and how critical the concept of now is. Now. You know the word, you've used it, you've heard it a million times, but it's important because when inspiration strikes, when inspiration prompts, when inspiration taps us on the shoulder, when inspiration is given, when inspiration is willing to gift us with something, we need to respond now. And I made a few notes I want to share. We need to make sure our reaction is now. We need to try to stop what we're doing so we can get the thing that inspiration wants to give. And we need to record what's being inspired now. We should not wait. Waiting is detrimental. If we are getting some kind of a prompt while we're driving, I realize it's much too dangerous to try to tap out a message to yourself or record something on your cell phone, or even try to write while you're driving. So as soon as you get the first opportunity to pull the car over, when it's safe, you need to start recording, listening. When inspiration wants to connect, respond appropriately and show yourself willing to connect. Be ready to understand that that stream is flowing and you want to benefit. So, when inspiration starts to flow, react now. Listen attentively, starting now. Record what's happening. You want to pay attention to what's being given, how it's being given, and when it's being given. I made myself this note to share with you. As a poet over the last 3 to 4 years, particularly, I've made it a point that the minute I get any pieces of a poem, I automatically assign a date and a time. The date so that I can know the specific season of the year. The time because if I get a few pieces of poetry at between 3 and 5 in the morning, well, that lets James know that I need to be particularly attuned, particularly attentive at 3 to 5 in the morning. Going forward, that is a critical piece of information. That's part of mapping. But most importantly, it's part of understanding the concept of now. Respond now, record now, and do not wait. One thing that I want to make sure that you understand too is that when inspiration begins to flow, remember, we talked about inspiration, we personified inspiration. We thought of inspiration as a her or a him. We also thought about inspiration as a river of some sort. And here's what you want to do. You want to make sure that you have the appropriate sized receptacle to put there in front of the spigot when it starts to drip or flow or let loose the inspirational stream or river that it wants to yield. You don't want to go to a gunfight with a knife, as we so often say, meaning you want to be appropriately tooled. You want to have the things that you need to do the job necessary. Likewise, when it comes to inspiration, you want to have a big enough bucket, or you want to have enough buckets to put under the flow so that you have what you need for inspiration's deliverance. Again, it's important that you understand that the space needs to be managed, the time needs to be managed, and you need to try to remove all limitations. You don't want to be in a situation where inspiration starts to flow and you only have a certain amount of memory in your telephone's notepad, or heaven forbid, inspiration starts to flow and you don't have a pencil or a pen or a pad with you or anything to write down what inspiration is trying to give, or you're in some kind of precarious situation where you don't have a receptacle or a bucket at all and the river starts flowing. And you know what happens in your home, right? When there is some kind of a leak and water starts to come in, if you don't have the appropriate tools to mop up that water, to siphon that water up and out, a flood is created. There have been many times in my homes where water has risen, water you don't want in the home, water that has no place being where it is, but I didn't have tools enough to make the adjustments. That is a precarious situation as a homeowner. That's a precarious situation to be in as a renter. That is a precarious situation, period, especially and particularly if you are in need of an idea and you are not properly outfitted with the tools that you need. Pay attention, my friend, and understand the critical, the importance, the significance of the word now. Respond to inspiration now. And as I've mentioned the word tools so very many times in this particular segment, well, hey, listen, do this. Join me. Stay with me. Stay connected to me so you can get the next segment of these conversations, me delivering this information about inspiration management, because the very next segment, that's exactly what I'm going to talk to you about, which are tools. James W. Falcon here. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you in advance for staying connected. Until the next time, we'll see you then. Take care.